Okay, so what we're going to need is 2 pieces of paper. One for the boxes, your value scale, and the lighting part of the assignment. And the second one is going to be your self-portrait. So what I would do is start out with grabbing a ruler so that you can create your 10 boxes. So there's going to be 10 boxes here. I would do them horizontal. Maybe you want to make it so that it is 1 inch tall, and I think I went around 10 inches wide so that each box are about 1 inch. So I'm going to mark these at every inch. So I have 9 here. This one's a little bit off, so I could probably, I'll just add on to it so it's all equal. And this last box will be my darkest box, so I'm going to leave that line there for now. Try to keep it as neat as you possibly can. And there's my 10 boxes. So we're going to go from light to dark. And if you have a softer pencil, this is a 4B, so it's pretty soft. If you have an HB, I would go with that if you're at home. I would use an HB to go light would be the paper color, and then lightest, if you only have one pencil, then you can use your HB pencil and just kind of simulate what each pencil would do. So like a lighter pencil, like a 6H would be here, and then the middle might be HB, and then the darkest would be a 6B. So H means hard lead, and B is soft lead, so you'll get the darkest dark here. So if I had a 6B pencil, it would be much easier to get the darkest dark. So what we're going to be doing is, if you do have only an HB pencil, you're going to use the weight of how you're pressing down on the paper to get the darkest dark. So right now I have a 4B pencil, and I'm trying to get the most out of the 4B pencil by getting my darkest darks in terms of putting down pressure onto the paper. So then it'll be a little bit lighter, so I'm going to add less pressure. I'm going to work from dark to light. The second part would be drawing a ball and have a light source. Just show me where the light source is coming from. So you could have the sun coming from over here, and it's shining here. So this would be pretty light there, and then it would cast a shadow out this way, maybe a little bit underneath here. Might have the darkest darks underneath the ball, and then it might gradually go lighter. Might be then even might have a little reflection on the back side of the ball, but this side of the ball should be dark. And then as you're going around, you can see I'm going around it, its contour, showing the contour of the ball. But you want to show the full value scale through the dark side of the ball to the lightest point, which is where the light is hitting it. So this is our exercise before we get into creating your self-portrait. Continuing on with your value scale on the top, just getting lighter as we're moving on to the make sure you fill in the whole box. You could also erase